The test requires 2000 RPM for 6 minutes with the lever arm fully open, and it should pump 5 cc's plus or minus half a cc. And before running this test, just pull these two wires off. There's the fan switch, and run a short circuit to get the fan going. Just keep the temperatures under control. To get the required arm full open, there's the arm just there. I've just stuck a long screwdriver, and it's got a rubber tube over it to just give it a little bit more thickness to make sure that's actually pushed fully open. And you can see all that is a screwdriver. There it is there. And what you're looking for are the scribe lines. The two scribe lines there's a scribe line on that little piece there, and there's a scribe line on this gold coloured metal plate there. That's what you normally set when you set the metering pump. As long as those two are aligned, the pump is considered fully open for this test. Keep one of these handy. You're going to need it to adjust the idle screw down there as the bike warms up. You're going to have to work that to keep it at 2000 RPM. You're going to have to remove that pipe there from the metering tank, so stand by with a couple of bungs, one to go onto the nipple on the oil tank, and another bung to go into the end of the rubber hose there.
Which isn't uncommon. Strauss uses it as well, because there it is. And in his later work, vibraphone. So he's quite innovative with new instruments, but he finds things to do with them which are endlessly imaginative and, to say again, endlessly Poissonierian.
I'm using the genuine Suzuki tester there, which is just conveniently hooked into the mesh seat cover I've got up there, but you can actually just go to a pharmacy and buy a syringe. I'm just going to fill this up now. I've got some GTX just in an old syringe. Top it up, make sure there's no bubbles in the line. And I only need to be rough because I'll stabilise the RPM, etc. Once that's all set, then I'll top it up to the 0 line. So it works in reverse. 0 is at the top of this tube, and it goes down to more than 6. Adjustments on the tube, and now top it up to the 0 line.
The teddy bear's picnic stuff that comes in, yes, all of that informs massively the bounty music from Sweeney Todd. He said, how can you know?
There's a timer set for 6 minutes right there. Start the bike. And you can see that is pretty much exactly 5 cc's. Absolute fraction, maybe less than 5 cc's, but you're allowed between 4.5 and 5.5 cc's over 6 minutes, 2000 RPM with the metering pump arm fully open.